Hi guys, Nick here, and today is going to be the start of my Marvel Studios Hell's Secret Invasion and review series. Here's in, as always with these review series, here's in one of our new Marvel Studios movie or show. Oh, I'm going to be doing a spoiler warning. Hey, and with the movies, I'm going to do spoiler free. And then the spoiler reviews. But for the shows here, I'm going to be doing spoilers. And if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give this video a like and comment. And if you're new to the channel, press the red subscribe button and turn the notification bell so you will be notified of when a new video is going to be uploaded to the channel. And for 6 weeks of Secret Invasion, I'm going to be reviewing all 6 episodes of the show. And also with these episode reviews, I'm going to be doing my spoiler warning. And at the end of the series or show of Marvel, I'm going to be giving my final thoughts on the series in whole of each show of Marvel. And so, as you guys haven't seen the episode, if anybody here hasn't seen the first episode of Secret Invasion yet, make sure to watch it over on Disney Plus first before clicking on to watch this review video here. It will because it will contain spoilers for the actual episode. And same thing with my Ninjago episode reviews. I'm going to be saying the names of the episode. Hold on. Now let's get into my Secret Invasion episode 1 review and enjoy the rest of this video. And episode 1 of Secret Invasion is called Resurrection. Resurrection, and the episode starts with a guy named Agent Ross, and me with some other guy, and talking about the Skrulls, which is really the first time we've been hearing Skrulls outside of Nick Fury and Captain Marvel. Outside of those two characters, then the planetary, some Skrulls are going to be the bad guys in the series here. And we are also talking about Nick Fury being up on a space station called Saber, which I'm guessing is the place where he was in the post-credit scene of Spider-Man Far From Home. And it's going to be the place where Nick Fury's going to be in the movie Eva Marvels, which, like in the teaser reaction that I did, it said it was coming out in November, which I'm going to do both a spoiler, free and spoiler review for that movie once it comes out. And then the guy talking to Ross realized he is one of the Skrulls, which also has been shown later on a little bit ahead in the episode here. Here being chased by a random guy who turned out to be Talos, who hasn't been seen since the post-credit scene of far from home. Home, which he talked to Nick Fury, and they also interacted in person in the episode here. And Woody also gets a cameo in the show here. And this is really the second appearance in a Marvel show that Woody has, as that is a cameo. And the first cameo he had in a Disney Plus Marvel show was back in about the first episode of Falcon and the Winter Soldier. Him and some other humanity people were talking about Nick Fury and Maria Hill, who is trying to help Talos, trying to stop some rogue Skrulls who are partnering on and setting off some bombs. Hounds that is going to be kind of shown and later on in the episode here. And Tails was trying to stop his daughter from delivering bombs to whoever is in charge of the rogue Skrulls. And we see some Skrulls and humans inside the secret base. He's been talking about the bombs, and he also got to see Nick Fury and Tails. Harrison throwing up on a little lead, which is a other Skrull in human disguise, along with Talos. Harrison had Nick Fury killed the Skrull and had information on the bombs and some lady he doesn't trust the Skrulls and they both Nick Fury and Maria Hill and also Tails were eavesdropping on really talking to a guy about the Skrulls and then they found where the bombs are going to be at, and thanks to Tails' daughter, who is mad at him about some safety stuff, and he also bothered his kid's mom, who recently passed away in universe here, and they followed the people with the bombs, and then Nick Fury got distracted by a Skrull who keeps changing disguises to distract Nick Fury, and then the bombs went off, and a crazy turn of events on the end of the episode here. It was Maria Hill actually got shot, which was pretty surprising, and that is it for the first episode of Secret Invasion. And next Wednesday, I'm going to be reviewing in episode 2 of Secret Invasion. And I also got a lot of other videos to upload too. Which are coming out soon. And like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell if you're new. And this is a pretty good start to Secret Invasion. And also heard some people don't like the intro to the show here. Because it was made by AI. I respect those people, those opinions. And in my opinion, the intro is pretty good. It's a little bit different than any other intro that has been made. And I will see you guys in my next new video. And peace.